We've got another somewhat music-themed app coming up now, and it's sort of like dancing, right?
Mm-hmm.
There's fun party dancing, but there's some more choreographed dancing, and often, like many people in life, at least one occasion where they have to learn how to dance.
Right.
And you can go take classes, find diagrams. It's a little old-fashioned, maybe 19th century.
Mm-hmm.
FullSteppers has a really cool augmented reality dance training app. I'm very excited for you to see. And we'll go to them now to tell you more about it.
Hi, my name is Sandy Jones, and these are my teammates Chris Gee, Zach Marzal, and Rose Grainer. We developed an augmented reality mobile app that teaches you to dance called FullSteppers. So imagine you've been invited by some friends to go dancing or want to pull off some cool new moves at some sweet moves at a wedding, but you don't know how to dance. Our app will teach you how to go through the dance moves with you and teach you how to dance using augmented reality right on your phone. Our technology uses augmented reality, as I mentioned. This is basically a rendering of virtual objects in real space to create a hybrid image of the scene. Our app also uses built-in physical sensors on your phone to place virtual images of footprints and your imaginary dance partner's shoes right in front of you while you're dancing. So our user selects a dance from the dance list. This user is going to select the foxtrot, and then he's going to select a song based on that dance style he's chosen. Here's Chris to talk about other user settings.
Thanks, Sandy. Our user now adjusts the width of the stance displayed on screen to better match his own, and he'll choose a speed at which he is comfortable practicing. Let's take it easy since he's learning for the first time. So while he's practicing, I'll talk a little bit about what's happening under the hood. Dance routines are comprised of multiple sequences of data working together to display on-screen animations. The first sequence defines movement along the floor plane. This sequence is referenced by both the 2D and 3D images and is responsible for keeping them synchronized as they move about their world. The remaining sequences take care of other visual feedback like vertical movements and ankle rotations. Now I'll let Zach talk about what happens when our user decides he's figured out the next hot dance craze.
Thanks, Chris. Let's say I have a great new idea for a dance. So we can head over to the Create a Dance page, and here we'll enter in, and we'll be able to toggle back and forth between our right foot and our left foot, and use the keyboard with arrows to map out our dance steps. We can test out our dance and see the progress that we've made on the floor as we would see it when we do the dance. When we're finally ready to create our dance, we hit Create, choose a name, choose a GIF, and create the dance. So now when we go over to choose our dance, we will see our new dance in the list. Finally, we just have to choose a song. We can choose a song with any genre, and it's time to get practicing. We were able to use anonymous authentication to be able to distinguish users without having the user sign in. So you're only able to see the dances that you have created. Now I'm going to hand it over to Rose, where she'll talk about further features and technologies.
Thanks, Zach. So at the end of my dancing, if I feel like I'm ready, I can go out into the world with my new dance moves with these nearby dance hotspot recommendations. Now let's talk about 5 technologies in our stack. First, we have Viro, which is our AR engine. We layer that on top of React Native. It's a configuration called a ViroReact app, which is cross-platform and partially bare. Google Firebase took care of both our cloud database needs and our authentication needs. Our master styling tool was NativeBase UI with some small touches for flavor from the Giphy SDK. And finally, the Yelp API was how we managed both geolocation services and getting recommendations for dance hotspots. Thanks so much for your time. If you want to learn more, visit our code at github.com/FullSteppers/FullSteppers.
This application would have been so useful when I was trying to learn, when my husband and I were trying to learn our first dance for our wedding. We more or less winged it, which probably in hindsight, was not a very good idea. At one point, he's literally like, what are you doing? Because we just like kept messing up. And so I honestly feel like this application would have been really good for me to use.
Yeah. Some people say they have 2 left feet, but like I don't know my directions at all. I have to always make an L with my hand to know which one is which. So something like this would probably help me out quite a bit.
Yeah.